Everyone thought 3I/ATLAS was an alien spaceship, a cosmic visitor about to turn toward Earth after passing the sun. But it didn't explode, didn't change direction, and didn't unleash any hidden probes. Instead, astronomers just confirmed something no one expected. 3I/ATLAS behaves exactly like a comet. So, was the alien theory finally proven wrong, or is there more to this mystery? Let's dive right in. When 3I/ATLAS passed its closest point to the Sun, what astronomers call perihelion, the Internet expected fireworks. Alien believers said it would ignite, split apart, or even reveal its true form. Scientists prepared for data, not drama. But as telescopes turned toward the object, something unexpected happened. Nothing. No explosion. No sudden change in direction. 3I/ATLAS simply continued on its calm, predictable path. And that calmness is exactly what shook everyone. For weeks, every forum, from Reddit to X, Twitter, was filled with grainy images, orb theories, and fake videos claiming the object had turned toward Earth. But when actual orbital data from NASA's JPL and the European Space Agency came in, the story flipped. 3I/ATLAS was behaving like a textbook comet, following Newton's laws with surgical precision. No mysterious propulsion, no deflection, just gravity doing what it always does. Yet the calm truth was almost disappointing. After all, the world loves mystery more than math. But this time, science had something even more fascinating. 3I/ATLAS wasn't just a comet, it was a visitor from another star system, and that alone makes it one of the most valuable clues about how planets and life might form beyond our sun. So what makes 3I/ATLAS so different? Its story began when astronomers noticed it moving too fast, nearly 58 kilometers per second, faster than any normal object bound to the sun. Its orbit wasn't an ellipse but a hyperbola, meaning it came from interstellar space, just like Oumuamua in 2017. But unlike Oumuamua, which was dry and rocky, 3I/ATLAS showed clear signs of volatile ice, gas, and a faint green glow, the classic fingerprint of a comet. Still, that glow became a lightning rod for speculation. Some claimed the eerie green hue was artificial, the result of alien tech. But the data told another story. Spectroscopic analysis revealed strong emission from diatomic carbon, C2, the same molecule that gives many comets their emerald glow when sunlight breaks it apart. To astronomers, it was chemistry. To the Internet, it was confirmation bias. The confusion grew when some photos showed 3I/ATLAS with a long tail, while others showed none at all. That inconsistency fueled conspiracy theories. Is NASA hiding something? Until astrophotographers explained that comet tails only appear when images are stacked and exposed, long enough to capture the faint gas and dust streaming behind in real time. It's almost invisible. 3I/ATLAS wasn't changing shape, only the way humans were looking at it. When 3I/ATLAS survived its solar pass intact, that was the real twist. Many comets break apart under solar heat. But this one stayed solid. Some scientists initially thought it might be made of dense metal, possibly nickel or iron, but early measurements turned out inconclusive. Later observations suggested it had more carbon than typical comets, which might explain its strength and unique coloration. Think about that. A comet born around another star, traveling for millions of years through cold interstellar space, surviving the sun's furnace, and then leaving unscathed. That's not just luck, that's cosmic engineering, by nature itself. So was it ever a spaceship? No, but calling it ordinary would also be wrong. Every parameter screamed different. Its dust composition, light curve, and reflectivity didn't fully match any known comet in our solar system. Even experts from ESO and NASA admitted we're still learning what makes interstellar comets tick. Here's where the real story lies, not in lasers or aliens, but in our own fascination with the unknown. Each time an object like this enters our system, humanity projects its hopes, fears, and imagination onto it. Some see salvation, others see danger. In truth, 3I/ATLAS reminds us that the universe doesn't owe us an explanation. It just keeps moving, silently. But that silence is also an invitation. Scientists are now using 3I/ATLAS to refine models about how icy bodies survive interstellar travel missions like ESA's Comet Interceptor might one day chase one of these travelers up close. And who knows? The next one might not be a comet at all. Even now, forums debate, if it's just a comet, why is it glowing green? Why didn't it fragment? Why does its path look so deliberate? These questions matter, not because they prove an alien theory, but because they show curiosity is alive. Real discovery starts with doubt. 3I/ATLAS forced millions to look up, question reality, and learn something new about how our universe works. Some astronomers, like Sergio Saccani from Space Today, went public to clarify the facts. His analysis showed that 3I/ATLAS's behavior, stable orbit, consistent light curve, predictable motion, all matched what physics would expect from a comet, not a controlled spacecraft. His calm voice in the noise became a reminder that sometimes truth is quieter than fiction. But for many, the fascination won't fade, because behind every confirmed fact lies another question. What else is out there? If 3I/ATLAS proves anything, it's that the line between science and myth is razor thin. Anomalies attract attention, and attention breeds stories. But instead of mocking that curiosity, maybe it's time we embrace it the right way. After all, every discovery in space history began as a question that sounded impossible. Could an interstellar comet someday carry the building blocks of life between stars? Could it seed a new world somewhere else? We don't know yet. But this is why we watch the skies. Because sometimes what starts as just a comet ends up rewriting everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. And maybe that's the real shock after Perihelion. Not that 3I/ATLAS wasn't an alien ship, but that even without being one, it still managed to make humanity dream like it was. In the end, 3I/ATLAS reminds us of one simple truth. The universe doesn't need to be alien to be extraordinary. It survived the sun, defied predictions, and proved that science can be just as thrilling as mystery. Every discovery like this brings us closer to understanding where we come from and what else might be out there. If you value real stories backed by facts, not hype, show your support. Like this video, share it, and tell us in the comments what you believe. 3I/ATLAS truly is. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to Galactic Breaking News, turn on the notification bell, and join us for more mind-bending discoveries from across the cosmos. The truth is out there. Let's uncover it together.